welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. I really appreciate you all so much. I know I'm a little behind on videos. I have had a migraine it's been like 9 days straight now, but I need to get these videos done because we're fixing to go into a new month. So I wanted to show you all what I got in my Ipsy Plus. This is the bag that I've had for something like 3 or 4 years. And I do have this one as more skincare heavy. And I set the one that's going to be going with the Glam Bag X for more makeup heavy, so hopefully I don't get a lot of duplicates. And I just wanted to see what is what. I'm not sure I'm going to keep the Glam Bag X. I just wanted to try the first month, but I wanted to show you all what I got. I apologize for doing it this way, but like I said, I've had this migraine and I really don't want anybody to see how awful I look right now, so I'm going to show you all what I got in my regular Glam Bag Plus, the one that I've had. And let me pull everything. Oops, Levi, can you? Oh, he can't come here. And I think it was probably something important. I got it. Okay, so y'all have probably seen the bags. They changed to these bags, the drawstring bags.
Hi.
Several months ago.
Might do a little video
so cloth. I like the drawstring bags. They're different. So let's see. The first thing I got is, let's see. I think this was what they chose for me. It's a peel off mask. Is that this one? I think, yeah, it's this right here. And it looks really interesting. It says this retails for $22. It is full size. The perfect reset for your skin at the end of a long week. This peel off mask and a bubble bath, obviously. It's made with purifying charcoal to deep clean pores and lavender oil, which blesses your complexion with chill vibes thanks to soothing and calming properties. Alrighty, so that does retail for $22. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that to be so runny, or to be so much on the top. So you see how it looks. I think I might use this for Mask Monday. Look how beautiful color that is. It's so cool. It's really cool. Really interesting. Try to get it as much back in there as I can. I don't think it was as runny as it appeared, but it was so much of it on the top where I guess it was upside down. I am looking forward to trying that. I love mask. So I'm going to add this together. So that was 22. And let's see, the next item is, again, that was what they chose for me. And then they chose these nail polishes that retail for $22. Let me add that to the list. And it says, your DIY mani just got way faster. These gorgeous wine and rose gold polishes come with an extra wide brush, making it easy to coat your entire nail in a few quick strokes. So let's see what color these really are. Well, if I can get this open. I hate tearing the little bag, but okay, as I was gonna say, I don't know if I can get this. I did not think to bring anything with me to help untie that. So there, I guess, is the rose gold shade. Let's look and see if it is, how extra wide it is. Okay, it's basically the same as most I've seen. I don't know. Would y'all call that extra wide? To me, that looks pretty normal for, I mean, yeah, it wouldn't take much to polish your nails, but it still looks fairly normal as far as nail polish brushes go. And that is the wine color. I know I don't have my nails done right now. I did take all my polish off and cut some of my nails back. I'm going to try something new. And like I said, I've had this migraine, so I haven't been able to get that done. I have a new Valentine look, and I just ordered some new things from Amazon that I want to try on my nails. So the next thing is, I think this is it. It's a cannabis eye gel, and I picked this out. This was one of my choices. Let's see, and this says, of course, it's full size. Late nights and early mornings are simply no match for this cooling and depuffing eye gel. The potent combo of antioxidants, plant oils, and cannabis sativa seed oil work together to smooth and soothe your delicate eye skin. And I am always for something to help with around the eye area. Can't tell if that's glass, or I think it's glass. It's not, it's real heavy plastic. So let's see. Okay, how do we do this? There we go. Okay, it is just like a gel. It's thick enough, it's gonna stay put. Let me put nice and cool. Yeah, nice and cool on the under eyes. This might be really good to be one that's really good to keep in the fridge and use first thing in the morning. Because those gels, I do keep one gel in the refrigerator, and I think that might actually be a good one to go in there too. And then the next choice was this. I think it's this. It's Cali. I think is it Cali C? I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but it says whipped moisturizing cream for normal to dry skin. Retails for $34. It is full size, 2 full ounces. It's moisture rich whipped face cream. Softens, soothes, and repairs signs of damage with a cocktail of aloe vera, calendula extract, coconut oil, and organic green coffee. As soon as you smooth it on, your complexion will look and feel instantly healthier. You can apply it to your face and neck both morning and night. And again, that did retail for $34. So let's see what does have a safety seal. Okay, let's see what that looks like here. It is a lightweight, it's not too heavy. So it's smooth. It's pretty much just melts. If you saw that, it just pretty much melts right on your skin. It's not got an overpowering smell. Yeah, nothing, very, very faint. And then my other choice was this Vitabrid. That's what it looks like. Vitamin C Dual Drop Serum. This retails for $62. Putting my box value at $182. And if you don't know, which I mean most of us do, if you've ever gotten this box, it is $25. And I don't know that we're actually guaranteed, I can't remember if we're actually guaranteed a price that it's valued at. I can't remember, but I'm usually always happy with this one. And if you haven't ever got this box, they did start doing, I can't remember how many months ago, it seems like maybe 5 or 6 months ago, they started letting us choose 3 of our 5 products. And I mean, the 3 aren't like you can just go in and pick out of all the products. They give you like 4 or 5 choices out of each category, and you have a choice. You can choose from those. You can't just go in and pick out of every product they have. I wish they did, but they don't. So again, this retails for $62. This serum is packed with a stable form of vitamin C, a powerhouse antioxidant that helps brighten and even your complexion while protecting against aging free radical damage. How to use it. Press a nickel-sized blob onto your face and neck both morning and night. It says it's made with anti-aging peptides to help your skin feel brighter, firmer, and more hydrated. And it is a serum, isn't it? Yeah, it's a serum, so, you know, they're pretty thin. So let's see here what that feels like. And it is a glass bottle, very nice bottle. And can you see that? That has very, very little scent. To me, anyway. I know other people's are more sensitive to certain things, but I don't tend to be real sensitive to a lot of fragrances, thankfully, unless they're really, really strong. So there is that. And I did add on a few things. I added on, let's see what this is, the Complex Culture. These are just the $3 add-ons. This is the Complex Culture Power Pose Lip Gloss in Clear. So, has a nice size 1, not too huge. Doesn't smell to me. So, I mean, that's not a huge one, but enough to try it and see if you like it. And then I added the Complex Culture Time Pressed Lip Balm. Again, a $3 item. Well, I get this stuck somewhere. Oh, it's on this side. Okay, and then that's a stick. Quite a bit of product in there. This one doesn't really smell either. I really need to exfoliate my lips. This one feels, I think I like this one better. But like I said, I need to exfoliate my lips, but I have not felt good and haven't really worried about that. And then I added this on their shopper thing that was like $10 or $15 and under. I've wanted this, to try this for a long time, but I think this is usually like $30 or $40, and it was on their 10 or 14, I forget what it was, add-on thing. So I had to give it a try. I haven't opened it, as you see. Let's see here. Cute little gingerbread. That's okay. Yeah, it's a gingerbread girl. Let's just see this. You see the sparkle? Just a faint sparkle. I was thinking this would be really pretty when it gets warm again. People are baring their shoulders a little bit, because I do try to keep sunscreen on any bare skin, because I don't want premature lines and dark spots and all that usually go with it. So I love stuff like this. Can you see it? Just a hint. I think that would be so pretty in the summer on got a strapless dress and just barely put a little bit on your shoulders or something. And isn't that pretty? Just ever so faint. So it should have quite a bit in it, and it has the really, I don't know that I would use this rather than a really big, like a face brush or something, to put it more detailed, but still, I have wanted this, like I said, for a long time. So when I saw it on there, I think it was like 14 and under, 15 and under special, I had to add this on. So that is everything I got in this month's, I was going to say boxy, Ipsy Plus. I thank you all so very much for watching. I hope you're having a really great weekend, and I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.